Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem based on the concepts of inverse of a function. So as per the problem, given that f at x is equal to k times 2 plus x, find the value of k if the inverse of f at negative 2 is equal to negative 3. So the first step in this problem is to find the inverse of the given function f at x. First step for that is to change the function notation to y. So we can rewrite the equation of the given function as y equals k times 2 plus x. Now the next step for finding the inverse of this given function is to switch the x and y variables. So the next step is x equals k times 2 plus y. And now we have to solve for the new y. So we have to isolate y in this equation. So for that, the first step is to divide both sides by k. So the k on the right side cancel each other out. So we get x over k equals 2 plus y. We can isolate y by subtracting 2 from both sides. So the 2's on the right side cancel each other out. So we get x over k minus 2 equals y. So this is the inverse of the given function. And now we can use the notation for inverse function to write the inverse equation. So we can rewrite this as f at negative 1 parentheses x equals x over k minus 2. So this is the inverse of the given function. Now we are given that f at negative 2 for the inverse is equal to negative 3. So now the next step is to sub in x as negative 2 in this inverse function. So we get f at inverse of negative 2 equals, so we get negative 2 over k minus 2. And we are given that the inverse of f at negative 2 is equal to negative 3. So on the left side, we replace inverse of f at negative 2 with negative 3. So this is the equation we have to solve to find the value of k. So we have to isolate k on the right side of the equation. So first we add 2 to both sides. So the 2's on the right side cancel each other out. So on the left side, we do negative 3 plus 2, which is equal to negative 1. So negative 1 equals negative 2 over k. Now we can cross multiply the k. So k is in the denominator. Now in order to isolate k, we'll have to move it to the numerator. So we cross multiply the k. So we get negative 1k equals negative 2. And now we can isolate k by dividing both sides by negative 1. So the negative 1 on the left side cancel each other out. So we get k equals negative 2 over negative 1, which can be reduced to just 2. So this should be the final answer for this problem. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.